In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install Adrenalin, that's multi-purpose WooCommerce theme. Please use our affiliate link to purchase this theme. After purchasing this theme with our affiliate link, then you go straight to the dashboard. Where is dashboard? So next I go to my dashboard. Here is my dashboard. Then I click on appearance. This is the fourth theme that is there. So I click on add new theme. Upload theme. Choose file. Okay, here is it. Then I just click on it, then open. Next I click on install now. Okay, it is here before, that's why it's bringing this. So replace active with uploaded. If not, then I click on activate. Now as you can see, it is place here customized. Every other one is not like that because this is the fourth theme now. So let me open the site. Right click, I want to open in a new tab. So let me go to the site. Here is it. I have uploaded it. So let me go back to my dashboard. The following required plugins are currently inactive, so I make them active by clicking on it. Activate. Because unnecessary plugins that are required need to be activated and being active. Required plugins, so this I activate it as well. The following required plugins, I select it. I activate this one as well. These ones are recommended, okay. The following recommends, this team recommend the following plugins, okay. So like why this one. So let me go back to the site, refresh. I successfully uploaded the theme. Please like, share and subscribe. And to purchase this theme, this link, this is my affiliate link to purchase this theme. Thank you.